Bali airport.
What are we doing?
Waiting for my mum to arrive.
Follow it round and we'll meet you there.
Lots of rice actually.
We've come to Aling Aling waterfall and we've got a tour guide so that we can jump in. I don't know how much jumping we're going to do because apparently the tallest one's 15 metres.
I don't think I'll be jumping 50 metres, but I bet my mum will.
And that's our lovely tour guide, I think.
Thank you.
Careful.
Oh my god. Is it? Look at the babies! The baby. Mum, don't go too
We're not allowed
close.
to go close because they're aggressive and he doesn't have a stick.
Let's go. Three, two, one. Okay, let's go. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Is the
Go for it.
okay? 3, 2, 1.
Hi vlog, we're in a little warung, playing cards, listening to some live music, having a drink. We've had a wonderful day, haven't we, Mum?
We've had an excellent day. Yes, we've been doing some jumping off high platforms into pools of water and sliding down waterfalls, and it was fun.
It was very good. We have a lovely instructor called Atuk.
Yes,
Atuk. Is that his name?
I don't know.
I think so. It's just been really nice. And then, do you want to tell them what we've got on this evening?
This. And then, oh, we're going for a Balinese massage. Like, there's a room above the garage and then just toilet, and they do massages there. So you've got an hour's Balinese massage.
What? When my flip-flops go through. These flip-flops are taking me across Southeast Asia and they are very nearly broken. These flip-flops came from Egypt about, what, 10 years ago?
More when you were about 8.
I was about 8.
20 years ago.
And now they've not got much left in them.
They're not technically yours anyway, they're actually that. So you can never give them back when you've broken them.
Yeah.
The bike's got a flat tyre,
After it had a broken headlight yesterday.
so the shop people aren't too happy with us, but it's not our fault. So now we're trying to figure out how to get a motorbike with a flat tyre back to the shop. That is actually. Is that a flat tyre?
Yeah, it's not pancake flat, but
It's so fine.
you just wait. These handlebars start wobbling.
Okay, it's a mum takeover of the vlog. We have come today to the Holy Hot Springs. Oh, I was trying to show you it, but it's actually behind me. So these are some hot springs, clues in the name, that are supposed to have healing properties. And we had a lovely drive here on the motorbikes, and went past loads of rice paddies and some temples and some really cute school children in pristine uniforms that just want to wave to us every time we go past. And it's lush, it's like a rainforest or a jungle. I don't think I could tell the difference between them, but it looks like it's going to be amazing.
I am healed. My sins.
And it feels like we're in a muddy pond.
Kind of does. Feels like we're in a what?
A muddy pond.
I slipped getting in. Some algae on the floor.
Algae or holiness?
Holiness.
Yep.
Why are you recording?
So we've been on the hunt for dadar galung since we got here, and we finally found some, but they didn't actually have it on the menu. We messaged them and they've gone and made it specially for us. Can you explain what it is?
Not really, no.
Coconut pancake.
Mmm. But it's incredible. As well.
Mmm. A wild dolphin has appeared. Oh no, it might just be Emily.
Yeah, it is that.
Slow down.
Not very successful.
I don't know if we said that Lovina is actually a black sand part of Bali.
Because of the volcanic ash and volcanoes that are just around us.
Yeah, so it's, I mean, in the daytime it kind of just looks a bit muddy,
Yeah.
but it's actually properly black sand. It's really soft actually. I mean, this bit's a little bit gritty, but on the main bit it's really soft.
Yeah, I'll get you some soft stuff.
But kind of eerily, the corals are still white, so it kind of looks like broken bits of bone. You saw some of some? Some mud. Also, over up in this part of Bali, there are no waves. Still as anything. There's no surfing up here. It's down in the south that they have surfing. Over here it's more beaches, dolphin tours, and scuba diving, which we're going to do. Club. In the club. We all fam. In the club.
Best chance tonight, come on!
We're going dolphin watching and hopefully to swim with dolphins ethically.
Yeah. That's our boat captain. She's going out.
This is another Emily takeover on the voiceover. This is when Jess and my mum left me for 3 days, I think, to go off diving. How exciting. This is my mum just going backwards off a boat. Wee plop, splash. So this is actually my mum getting her open water diving certification, her advanced. So she needs to do different things to get that certification, and she thought, why not do it in Lovina Beach in Bali, baby. Oh gosh, her legs are going up in the air. Buoyancy, not good, mum. Try it harder next time. But here they are, swimming along, bubbling. Jess is filming. She's probably singing Aruba, Jamaica, ooh, I wanna take her to Bermuda right now, because that's her favourite song to sing in the water. Can't see much right now. There's a little wave. Hey mom, how's it going? You're doing great, sweetie. This is Jess just filming around. That is the instructor. Hey, hey. This is us driving on a minibus, having a bit of a minibus party to the next location. And here we are. We're going to go to an island this time, a really cool island of North Bali. This island is very special because it has some special guests on, which we'll see in a minute. But this is us on the boat. This is mum talking to... Oh, and there it is, the deer. This is Deer Island. This is where Santa sends his deer in the summer so they can have a bit of a holiday. So they're not always cold. And look how beautiful. That's Bat Cave. Can you see all the bats in there? Oh, 28.8 metres. Blooming heck. That is very, very deep. Can't see much down there, can you? Just some plankton and some coral and some bubbles and me. I wonder what Emily's doing right now. Oh, some lovely coral. Look at the size of that. Let me bat it like a bong, bong. And there we go. That's the end.
Congratulations to Charlie.